Welcome back to the farm. We're on the tractor. I've set the time-lapse camera up, that's over there. The Hobbit's walking around the field with Ludo. And Kira is over there somewhere mousing. I know this video is not going to interest a lot of you, but some of you say you like watching grass getting cut, so I thought I'll stick a camera on the tractor, I'll set the time-lapse going, we'll have a few minutes cutting grass. Let's crack on, we've got some grass to cut. The Hobbit's just come out of a drink, which is very nice. I would say tea break, but it wasn't. It was a tin of Coke. I wasn't feeling it for the cup of tea this afternoon. We don't drink a lot of Coke anymore, but it's just nice every now and again to have one. So that's that. I've got all up there cut. I'm going to whistle round here. It's clouding over again now, and I don't know if you'll pick up the wind. This is going to be the last cut of the year, basically. We could have left it later, but we've had like 10 days of rain. That's all it's done. I've not been able to get outside. But at the moment, we need to get the rotovator on the back of the tractor. I said to Tina, I'll just go around and I'll get everything cut down. And that'll be the last cut of the year. It doesn't really, we could have left it till next year because this mower is quite capable. It's a little bit low for up, you know, if it gets too much longer, it's a bit low, but we can adjust the height on that. Up there, I've not cut it on the short setting before, whereas down here I have. So it's been a bit steady up there. Edit that bit out. But I'm just gonna. It's 10 to 3 now. I'm cooking dinner tonight, so I can't be too late out here. But I'm gonna cut the rest of the field and do round the back of the house, and that'll be it. And then we can get the mower cleaned up and get that put away for the winter. Unfortunately, we can't. There's nowhere we can put it inside, but get it cleaned up, greased up, and we'll park it with a bit of block of wood so that the front end's picked up, so that the water can just run off the back of it, and hopefully we'll try and keep it nice. We don't want to let things get rusty, but until we get a bit of a shelter built out the back, it's going to have to sit outside. But anyway, we're going to get that done so that we can get the rotovator on, because we've got a couple of beds, what I've shown you before in previous videos, where all the mustard's growing as a cover crop. This first bed, it's a good 14 to 18 inches high now. Now you can leave it right up until it flowers before it goes to seed, and then you chop it down and plough it back into the soil. But we need to get some garlic in this month, this month. You want to get the garlic in before the frosts start. So we get that churned in, and then we have to leave it for 2 to 3 weeks, ideally, but that's if you want to get a cash crop in. But we're putting garlic in, but we'll probably leave it a couple of weeks anyway, because we won't get any frost till the end of November. Mid-November, according to the weather oracle down there, the Hobbit. So yeah, that's it for today. Last grass cut of the year. Hope you've all enjoyed it. So this is on the Iseki TK527 and the Sentar GY135M gyro broyer, which is a topper, a brush hog. It's bloody good. Anyway, that's it for now.
Funny.
Huh?
It sounds funny.
Why?
It's sort of like
Well, yeah,
it sounds like something off the Starship Enterprise.
it's big heavy blades. It's got to spin round, doesn't it?
Yeah, but it sounds like something off a sci-fi.
So anyway, that's it for today's video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And for me and the Hobbit over there, just about to take all these cameras indoors because it's going to start raining. It's bye for now.